Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. So today is the D-Day for the new bike, and I don't want to go ahead and talk much about it. So my friend is going to come down over here, and me and him are going to pick up the bike. So let's go.
Smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start.
So hey guys, we have reached to the showroom, and without any further delay, let's go directly into the showroom and you can go ahead and see the bike. And that's my boy Jittu.
Lost control. It's paradise with honesty, but I'm the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Smoke, breathe in and let me go. Sing to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blind.
So hi guys, so we have taken the delivery of the bike. This is Chandru. He is the Dominar mechanic. He is the senior person who will take care of the service. And in Chennai, when I had a Dominar, I had a friend called Chandru. So I'm glad that I have got Chandru here. Chandru நம்ம ஆள் தான். அவர் வந்து நிறைய ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு பெங்களூரில் யாருக்கோ பஜாஜ் ரிலேட்டட் ஏதோ பிரச்சனை இருக்குன்னா வாங்க மாரத்தஹள்ளியில் சந்துரு வந்து காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் வந்து லிங்க் வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் போட்டுக்கலாம். நீங்கள் அவர் ஏதோ ஹெல்ப் வேணும்னா அவரை கால் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அவர் கண்டிப்பாக வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே சந்துரு, தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ ஹியர் இட் இஸ் guys. Wow, has a very good bump sound. And it has a very bassy sound it has. Okay, so let's go till the petrol bunk. I'll take a shoot and let's see how this bike performs. Ditto. So here we are guys, the first move. Wow, this bike is super smooth. I mean, it has been a very long time I'm riding the Dominar, especially the new model.
Two hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Let the Noah guy go. So welcome to the new normal of life, man. Okay, let me adjust the side mirrors. Man, the side mirrors are very hard. Okay. Yep. So going straight to the petrol bunk guys. And that's my friend Jitu. That's his Kawasaki 650R. Man, that's a beauty bike. So the journey starts here. Let's see how things go by, guys. Especially I want to thank Bajaj. You know, they really helped me out in getting this bike. It was not that easy at the time of lockdown to get a bike. There was so much of hassles, but they really went extra mile and helped me out. Thank you so much, Bajaj. I really appreciate your help. So far the bike is smooth. So I was told I should not go more than 80 just for time being. Yeah, so that's all, guys. So see you in the next vlog. So the next vlog would be all cinematic shots which we would be taking of the bike, and there are more things to come up. So stay tuned, guys, and thanks a lot for being a part of this. As I always say, ride safe, take care, God bless you.